This world will always have demand for skillful people. Your confidence will easily turn things into reality. If you want to become self-reliant and if you want to earn sufficiently, having your own dental clinic is the only way. Time is the most valuable asset you have in your life. How you use it and where you spend your time plays a very important key role in your success. You can always earn back the lost luxury, fame and money, but you can never earn back the lost time. Hello doctors, welcome. Today I am here to motivate you all and to clear out your dilemma or any hesitation regarding dental clinic setup. I am here to talk about the harsh reality of the dentistry in real life, which no one explains you or even tells you about. Then why am I doing this, or what do I get out of it? Our aim is to make dentistry great in India. And to make this happen, we need great dentists. And great dentists have to be self-sufficient and self-reliant. So as a part of my dream, I am here to tell you about how you all can become great dentists. The harsh reality is, for 99% of the newly passed out dentists who will not get any government job, having their own private dental clinic is the only way to survive in dentistry and to continue in dentistry as their profession, and also to become self-reliant in dentistry. Believe me, doctor, dentistry is the best profession of the world. If I am given the choice, I would love to become dentist in every birth. But this is not the case with other dentists. So where do the things get wrong? In order to bring all those points to your attention, today I am here with this topic. So once again, hello doctors. I am Dr. TARUN MAVADIA from Akshar Dental Academy. Let's begin. Doctors, I have observed every new dentist wants to have their own private dental clinic. But almost everyone or majority of the new dentists try to avoid the topic of their own private dental clinic setup. Now some of them have financial reasons. I understand them and I also respect that. But to them also I would like to suggest you need to start doing something different or something new, because if you will not bring change, the same condition will persist in your life even after completing your BDS for 5 to 10 years. Believe me doctors, I come across many such dentists who have wasted 5 to 10 years of their precious time after completing their BDS in a dilemma when to start a dental clinic. To them also I would like to suggest you need to start doing something new or something different, or else even after 5 years from today, you will be in the same financial situation and with the same dilemma when to start my dental clinic. In addition to this, the two topmost reasons, or actually the excuses we can say, which I get the most are, number one, they are afraid of the competition, and number two, they have fear how they will survive against the well-established senior dentist. And with many similar kinds of reason, almost every new dentist tries to avoid the topic of establishing their own dental clinic and loses many precious years of their life. Doctors, remember, you can always earn back the lost luxury, fame and money, but you can never earn back the lost time. Time is the most valuable asset you have in your life. How you use it and where you spend your time plays a very important key role in your success. And similarly, time is the very important factor in establishment of your own private dental clinic. I say this many times. Each day that you waste once you are ready for your own dental clinic is you giving opportunity to your competitors to move one day ahead of you. To help you all avoid such kinds of mistake, I am here today to share with you few important words of wisdom which will help you all new dentists to come to a clear decision very soon and also motivate you in establishing your own dental clinic. And we will do this as usual systematically and point wise. So my first point is competition. Doctors, every field has competition. Even your seniors, when they started their dental practice, they also had competition. But did they back out? No. And that is why they are well established and settled today. Doctors, this is how time works. If you start your dental clinic today, soon in few years, you will also be one of the senior and you will also be established in few years. You cannot get settled and well established without your dental clinic, and you can also not get settled and well established immediately after starting your own dental clinic. Everything good in this world needs time to grow and develop. I guarantee this to my every student when they complete our course, and this also applies to any skillful dentist. Your life will be good with completion of third year of your dental clinic. Your life will be better with the completion of the fifth year of your dental clinic, and your life will be best at completion of the 10th year of your own dental clinic. Everyone has to go through competition, especially when you are starting your own career in any field. If you delay your clinic today, tomorrow there definitely will be more competition. Doctors, remember, the world is going to keep on rotating. Dental colleges are going to keep on making new dentists, and competition is always going to keep on increasing. The sooner you establish yourself, the sooner you will be stable in your life. Our next point is attitude. Every doctor in any medical stream has to work very hard and face insults, and by doing so, they also have to gather practical knowledge from other doctors also and from their own mistake also in their initial 10 years of private practice. Every doctor goes through these 10 years of hardship. Even I have gone through these 10 years of hardship, and every dentist you meet or is well established has gone through few years of hardship in his life. So your attitude matters the most in this. If you are prepared and mentally ready, you will always be able to keep a hopeful attitude. But each day, if you just keep on complaining about your life, about your field, and about the world, then it will only make you a bitter person. And such people can do nothing productive in their life. And if any of my subscriber or a viewer is having this kind of thoughts, I am here today to give you a new reason to change your attitude. And the reason that I have for you all is, yes, there are thousands of established dentists, and yes, there are thousands of new dentists coming every year. But remember, there was always, there still is, and there will always remain a shortage of good and skillful dentists. And among these good and skillful dentists, only some are ethical and perfectionist by nature. And among these some, only few are smart enough to take correct decision in dentistry. And among these few, there are only handful who are a very good calculated risk takers and will do outside the box things to survive and succeed. And this kind of new doctors are always in demand. And this kind of doctor always reach the top very easily because they are used to hard work and perfection. So doctors, you need to change your thinking process. You need to change your attitude. This world will always have demand for skillful people. So if you are not getting a good job or if you are not paid enough, it means either you are not skillful or you don't have that risk-taking capability. And it is rightfully said by someone, risk hai to isk hai. So the moral of the story is, change your attitude. Don't just be a new dentist. Aim towards becoming a new skillful and confident dentist. Also, I have one more scientifically proven theory regarding this. Any profession you take, it will first ask for your full attention, dedication, time and efforts. And then after 5 to 10 years of maturity period, depending on how much you have invested on that profession, that is investment of your attention, dedication, time and efforts, the profession will start giving out the fruits to you. But remember doctors, it always depends on how much you have put in that profession initially. So change your attitude, don't be afraid of hard work and keep calm. This brings me to our third topic, the dental clinic is the only way. Delaying and making excuses for not starting your own dental clinic will only bring you more competition. If you want to become self-reliant and if you want to earn sufficiently, having your own dental clinic is the only way. Initially, many new dentists make up their mind that I am having a good job, I am having enough pay, I will continue to be an associate dentist. So, let's take this for example. You have a best job at any clinic, and most of the jobs in private dental clinic are of associate dentist. And in this case, supposingly you remain the associate dentist for more than 20 years in the same particular clinic. And all those doctors currently doing job as associate dentist will be able to relate with this point. No matter what kind of pay you are getting in your job, you will always remain an associate dentist, and every associate dentist daily faces some kind of negativity from many patients. And in initial period of your job, when you are a fresher, the negativity does not affect you much because you are more interested in learning and developing yourself. But as the time passes and as you work hard and gain more experience, and soon you start giving your best to the patient and do a very good quality job, even then you will still remain a junior doctor or an associate doctor, and you will still have to face the same kind of negativity from many patients. And this is when that negativity hurts you and your ego. I have seen many doctors taking decision of their own private dental clinics after 10 to 15 years of their private job. And in this process, they have to face 10 to 15 years of more competition. This slows down their success rate also. And this also delays the time when they will reach their successful or full potential. And this also delays their time to reach a stability in life. Doctors, by sharing this example, I am warning you all, please don't make the same mistake. You need to set up a time or a year by what time you will have your own dental clinic. Next point is, have patience. Great things take time. Also, there are many dentists who are confident on their work, but their worry is, when will I earn back all my investment, or when will I start earning lakhs of rupees? I have seen few dentists who just starting their dental clinic, and by the end of their first month they start complaining about their earnings, or they start comparing their OPD with other more established dental clinics. They are not happy that they have at least started their own dental clinic. There are many dentists who cannot afford to do that also, and they remain attached to such negative sentiments. Doctors doing so only affects their attitude and their health, and it does not have any positive outcome at all. There is a very good saying in Gujarati for business establishment. My father also told me the same lines when I was about to start my first clinic, or even at the beginning of my second and third clinic too, and he still reminds me the same line many a times when I bunk my clinic. And the lines are something like this in Gujarati: Gadi tapavi pade koi bhi dhandhama. Meaning, whenever you start any new business, you have to initially warm up the seat of your chair for initial few years. The intention behind this saying is, number one, to teach patience to the young generation who is starting the new business, and also to teach them anything good needs time to grow and develop. And number two, to teach them that initially, no matter what amount of business you do, that is 1 rupee or thousands of rupees, you have to be present at your seat all the time. Now doctors, you all will be able to do this only when you have a seat in your own dental clinic. And once you have your own dental clinic, remember these lines. Please have some patience. I am a very strong believer in whatever is written here in my fortune, no one in this world can take that away from me. Okay? And I have seen this happen to me personally many a times. So, similarly, I would also like to convey this message to you. Have patience. What things are not going to go anywhere. It will just take some time, that's all. But in order for you to win a lottery, you need to purchase a lottery. So similarly, in order for you to develop yourself and gain success in dentistry, you need to have your own dental clinic with your name written on it. Also, doctors, don't just get carried away with my motivational words. You have to make a fixed plan along with every aspect of dental clinic setup. Only motivation cannot do anything in this world. You need correct attitude and correct knowledge to get the things done. And that brings us to our fifth topic. First you learn, then you earn. Doctors, I am sharing this line here in context that first you need to understand that having your own private dental clinic is the only way to prospire in dentistry after BDS. First you need to understand that having your own private dental clinic is the only way to grow in life for any BDS doctor. And once you will learn this, after that only comes the true part of earning from dentistry. So look inside yourself and self-evaluate yourself. Write down what are your good strengths and also weaknesses in dentistry. You need to learn every aspect of dentistry in order to start your own dental clinic. And once you have completed this learning process, as we have discussed in our earlier videos, and if you have worked very hard and gained all the practical knowledge, I suggest you should not waste any time and get your own private dental clinic as soon as possible. So finally, the short summary of this video is, or what I am trying to convey you all doctor is, if you are master at all basic dental treatments and if you have practiced these dental treatments many a times on patient, then I can take guarantee for you, you are ready for your own dental clinic. And if you lack any of such practical skills and knowledge, you can take professional help from academies like ours, or you can start working on them yourself. But the sooner you make yourself a skillful dentist, the sooner you can make your own dental clinic and sooner you will be stable in your life. And once you have mastered yourself in every basic dental treatments and also you have practiced those treatments multiple times in many patients, I have faith in you. You can do this, you will do this, and you will turn out to be a very successful dentist like other dentists around you. So make yourself skillful, change your attitude, take the first step, start planning things, fix a date or a year by which you will have your own dental clinic. And once you have this plan ready, your confidence will easily turn things into reality. So doctors, this is one of the best effort from me to motivate you all and also to inform you all the current scenario of dentistry. I hope I have succeeded up to some level. By now, you have got my point that making your own dental clinic is the only way. Also, doctors, believe me, making your own dental clinic is not that difficult or not an impossible job. I have grown my dental practice from one dental clinic to 3 dental clinics. And if I can do it, I am very sure you all can do it too. And as always, I would like to remind you all, we are always here to help you out with any issues related to dentistry. So feel free to contact us. We will try our level best to bring a solution for you. Doctors, along with this, I have a very humble request to you all. I do this as a part of my dream to make dentistry great in India. But please understand, I have my own private practice, and along with that, I have to handle and manage other 2 clinics also. Along with this, I have my daily online academic classes, and I also have to teach and train students coming at my clinic also. In addition to this, I also have to prepare for my videos. I have to shoot them myself and I also edit them myself. So doctors, sometimes I will not be able to answer your question immediately or on that very day. But please have faith in me. I will try my level best to answer them as soon as possible. Also, many a times I also need to think on question and I like to answer every question in detail and completely. So it can take few minutes, hours, or even one day sometime. But I promise I will definitely bring a solution to you. Doctors, I am pointing out this thing right now because right now our channel is growing at a very good rate. But I am very sure our channel will grow to a very big level very soon. During those time period, I don't want any of my subscriber to feel sad or get hurt that I am not responding to their questions. So I hope you understand what I am trying to convey. So finally, that's all from me on this topic. See you all in yet another interesting dental topic. Until then, stay tuned to the channel. Thank you.